Here we go, guys. It's that time of year to be heading back home to Canada. Leaving blue skies behind, but at least I get an epic scenic drive staying in the mountains going north through California, Oregon, and Washington, with a few stops along the way. Come along for the ride. What's up, guys? Well, so much for the good weather. Holy cow. Made it to Oregon yesterday, and it was 24 degrees when we hit the border. Now I'm like half hour further than that. It's like going to be a high of 8 degrees today, I think, and rain. Holy cow. So yeah, just getting water and dumping at this state park, and then, as usual, got to figure out where to go from here. It's still like, I think, 9 hours to cross the border, so I'm not doing that yet. But, yeah, I might just find a place a couple hours from here if I can. Just gotta look on good old iOverlander and see what there is. Yeah, just filling up on water. I'm full on propane. Cassette toilet's empty. So yeah, we are good to go wherever for a couple days. I don't know, like I said, I'm not sure if I want to cross the border yet or not. Oh, I think my water's full. Gotta go. All right, we're good to go somewhere. Good girl. Watching the bunny rabbits. Good morning, guys. Well, I'm glad I checked before I left the U.S. I had a recall on my Agilus Cross Climate tires, the Michelin tires. They had the 3-peak symbol on them, which apparently they aren't good enough for the 3-peak, so they're doing a free recall. So I am off to Discount Tire to get my tires replaced and see if it's going to cost me anything, if I have to pay for the change or what. So yeah, off to Discount Tire we go. You ready, Uma? My tires I wanted to get done in the fall when I came back into the States, but the offer is only good till October 1st, and I usually don't cross that early, or that's a little too early for me to cross. So I'm gonna get them done now, but that's not bad with the year and a half of tread wear on them all over the country, all over the place. So yeah, I'll take it. All right, good news. Made it to Discount Tire. There's going to be no charge to me. Woohoo! Brand new tires after a year and a half. I got them October 2022. That's when I got the tires. So yeah, not bad to get a replacement set of tires for nothing. I like it. Hopefully they don't pick anything up when they lift up the car with all the plumbing and electronics underneath. Wait and see. Damn, that was quick. That was less than an hour to get all 4 tires done and mounted and balanced and everything. Sweet. Brand new tires. I like it. Free. No charge whatsoever. Nice. All right, we can continue our journey. Amazing. Not even noon yet. All right, guys. Well, that was one heck of a crappy night's sleep. Holy cow. I made it to a rest stop in Washington. I'm only about an hour and a half away from the border. So I am just making a coffee and I'm gonna have that and book it for the border. And try and get on a ferry and get to Vancouver Island right away. I got a bunch of stuff to do. Obviously I need a shower and I gotta get oil change, get groceries. I got a whole bunch of stuff to do in town, but I just want to get to a campsite and chill out for a couple days. Maybe have a campfire or something. So yeah, let's get going to Vancouver Island. Well, this is the best day so far here. Weather's good. Time to have a fire to cook over for dinner tonight. Right, Uma? Maybe share some sausage on a bun with you? Would you like that? We were at Rathtrevor Provincial Park, just north of Nanaimo in Parksville, BC. Yeah, decided to come here for a while. Everything up north, it's too cold to go up there past Campbell River, as far as I know right now. So, decided to come here. This is a cool spot. There's showers, lots of walking trails. Uma likes it. I like it. There's no plug-ins or anything, but yeah, we're here for a couple nights at least. Might book a couple more. But yeah, like I said, this is what I wanted, right? Build a fire, hang out, do nothing for a little while. No, it's not sticks for you. So yeah, like I said, we're making dinner over the fire tonight. Just gonna cook make a nice afternoon fire. What time is it? It's 4 p.m. So yeah, having my afternoon coffee, making a fire, get some nice coals for dinner, and we'll be good to go. Well, this is the biggest fail ever. I don't know if they soak this stuff in seawater or what. I've been trying for 2 hours now. I can't get this frickin' fire lit. There's just little kindling sticks in there and it won't stay lit. You can hear it sizzling, it's so wet. Since it's almost 6 o'clock, I take it I'm not cooking dinner over the fire. I'm glad I wasn't relying on that fire to cook dinner with. Jesus, I've never had a problem lighting a fire. I used to go winter camping all the time in my 20s. Never had a problem lighting a fire in the deep snow. Can't get this stuff lit worth of crap. Cut it up all into small little things, kindling and stuff. I still can't do it. The fuck? I give up. I'm frustrated. Done. I was so looking forward to sitting by a fire too for the night, but I got nothing. Look, it's not even smoldering anymore. It is a little bit. But yeah, what the hell? Never had a problem with a fire. Oh, so frustrating. Well, all I got out of that was stinky clothes that now smell like smoke. Alright guys, that's it for this week. Hope you guys enjoyed the video, the travel video coming back to Canada. I'm just gonna finish off the night by taking Uma for a walk before I make dinner inside. And yeah, that's it. If you haven't already, please subscribe, and we'll see you guys next time. Take care, guys. Bye.